a carrot, crunchy, cool, growing happy in the garden school. Orange suit and leafy hair popping up with flair to spare.
Would you like to know how I made that? You just saw a carrot singing. I know what you're thinking, but that must have taken days to animate a degree in visual effects and probably a small fortune. But what if I told you it took me less time than it takes to chop a salad, and that the hardest part was just picking the song? For years, creating this kind of animation was totally out of reach for most of us, reserved for big studios. But the game has completely changed. The idea that animation is super difficult or expensive, that's quickly becoming a thing of the past. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the exact step-by-step workflow I use to make that carrot sing. We are not just going to talk about it, we're going to do it together, right now. I'm going to prove to you that with the right AI tools, you can bring literally any object to life. By the end of this, you'll be able to make your own food, office supplies, or even your garden gnome sing, talk, and become the star of your next viral video. And you won't believe how easy it is. Here it is in Artistly. I've created this character. It has eyes, a mouth, arms, a leg, and a big smile. I think it looks perfect. So, let's give it a go. Now, we are inside Video Expressed under Images. I'm choosing the carrot reference photos, so the software generates a consistent look. That takes just a moment. Once it's ready, I select Talking Photo and tick the option my character will be singing. Again, I could do text-to-speech, record a voice, or pick accents. But here, I'm importing the song I created. I've already uploaded it into my audio folder, so I just select it. Now, one thing to note is to make this work well, the carrot needs clear, human-like eyes and a mouth. Otherwise, the software may not detect a face. Once that's set, I hit Create Video. I chose portrait formats since this is for social media, though you can also make a landscape version. Portrait usually works best for short clips like this. It only takes a few minutes to generate. Let's preview the result.
I'm a carrot, crunchy, cool, growing happy in the garden school. Orange suit and leafy hair popping up with flair.
Now it's your turn, and make a move. I actually made that song. Suno.com. I used ChatGPT to help write the lyrics, then generated the track. A very simple process. Now, I can just right-click, download the finished video, and upload it anywhere I like. If you'd like to try this yourself, there's a link in the description below. Use the code SECRET10 for 10% off. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. And that you have it. A singing carrot brought to life. We started with a simple image, and by using the AI tools available today, we turned it into a fully animated, lip-sync performance. Let's quickly recap just how easy that was. Step 1. We picked our star, a clear picture of a carrot. Step 2. We used the animation feature to bring its phase to life. Step 3. We uploaded a song and let the AI handle the lip sync. No complex software. No real animation skills needed. Just a few simple clicks. The power of these AI tools is truly mind-blowing, and they're making content creation more accessible than ever. The question is no longer if you can create something amazing, but what you'll create next. Now, here's a challenge for you. Find an object in your room, a coffee mug, a plant, a stapler, and think about what song it would sing. Then go and make it happen. I would absolutely love to see what you create, so please share a link to your animations in the comments below. And let me know what object I should try to animate next. If you found this helpful and your mind is buzzing with ideas, do me a favor and hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video, where we explore even more incredible AI tools. Thanks for watching and happy animating.
I'm a carrot, crunchy, cool, growing happy in the garden school. Orange suit and leafy hair popping up with flair to spare. Chomp, chomp, I'm good for you. In your lunch or in a stew. Dip me, munch me, raw or hot. Healthy heroes hit the spot. So if you see me in your bowl, make a move. Crunch!